Hello friends, welcome to Aravali Geo Academy. Today we are going to discuss Geology PYQs, and PYQs is very important for all exams. So every PYQ solve is the step closer to your goal. So this is the first PYQ. Which of the following is the diamond drilling method? Option 1, Wintervis method. Option 2, jet drilling method. Option 3, Davis cutter method. Option 4, empire drilling method. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is empire drilling method. Let's elaborate the options. Option first, Wintervis method. So Wintervis method is a type of the precursion drilling method, and this Wintervis method commonly used in the geotechnical and groundwater exploration. This method is used repeated hammering action to break and penetrate the rocks. Okay. Now, next one is the see first this video. Okay, this is the jet drilling method. Okay, this is the type of the rotary drilling with high pressure fluid jet. This is used in the soft formation like clay, sand, often oil and the gas drilling. And this is used in this jet drilling, use the high pressure water or mud jet to cut and remove the soil. Okay, see here in this part, okay, here we use the fluid with high pressure to remove this material. Okay, so this is known as the jet drilling method. This is not a diamond drilling method. Okay, next one, the Davis cutter method. Okay, next one is the Davis cutter method. This is a mechanical cutting method and used in the coal and the soft rock mining. And a cutter head grind or slave the rock, mainly used sampling for the coal seams. Empire drilling method. So this is the type of the diamond drilling method used in the mineral exploration, especially in the hard rock, because diamond drilling used for the hard rock. Employs a hollow drill bit with the industrial diamond to extract cylindrical core samples. This is question for you. Tell me the name of the industrial diamond in the comment section. Okay. Next question, which of the following is the diamond drilling method? So right answer is the empire drilling method. Okay, this is the answer of the question number first. Empire drilling method is the type of the diamond drilling method. Now next, the Brazilian test is used to determine which property of the rock. So option first, modulus of elasticity. Number 2, compressive strength. Number 3, shear strength. Number 4, tensile strength. So what is the right answer? So right answer is the tensile strength. Let's elaborate the options. Modulus of elasticity. What is the modulus of elasticity? Modulus of elasticity, also known as the Young modulus. It is a measure of the stiffness of the mineral, and unit of the modulus of elasticity or Young modulus is the Pascal or gigapascal. And formula is very important for exams. Formula of modulus of elasticity is stress upon strain. Now compressive strength. Compressive strength is a maximum compressive stress that is the material can withstand before the failure. This property is known as compressive strength, and unit of the compressive strength is the megapascal, and uniaxial compressive test used for the measurement of the compressive strength of the material or rock. Next, shear strength. Shear strength, it is the resistance of the material to shear stress, which is the force that causes one part of the material to slide past another. It's depend on the cohesion and internal friction angle in the rock and soil. And shear strength also measured in the megapascal, and direct shear test and triaxial test used for the uh, measurement of the shear strength. Now next one is the Brazilian test. Okay, first see this one. Focus on here. How to work Brazilian test. Okay, so Brazilian test is a direct method. Brazilian test is a direct method to determine the indirect method. Sorry, Brazilian test is the indirect method to determine the tensile strength of the rock and concrete or material. It is involve the compressive loading, okay, across the diameter of the disc shaped specimen to induce tensile failure. Okay, so correct answer of this question, the Brazilian test is used to determine which property of rock. The correct answer is the tensile strength. Okay, Brazilian test is the indirect method for measuring the tensile strength. Next question, which of the following condition is not applicable to the Mitchell slicing system? Option 1, ore body is free from the inclusion. Option 2, ore body is highly inclined with vertical dip. Option 3, ore is flat bedded with the no dip. Option 4, thickness of the ore body is 50 to 60 feet. So which one is the correct answer? Ore body is flat bedded with no dip. Next, let's elaborate the option Mitchell slicing system. So first we discuss the geometrical suitability for the Mitchell slicing system. So Mitchell slicing suite vertical or steeply dipping ore body. Flat bedded ore body does not support the proper slice development. Okay, for this method, okay, so vertical or steeply dipping ore body is required. Flat bedded or Flat bedded ore body does not support the proper slice development. Next, working mechanism. So depend on the gravity to move broken on the downward. So plate or bed hinder the gravity base extraction. Next, mining design. Which type of mining design is required? Slices are extracted bottom to top in the inclined structure, and plate bed makes such slicing design impractical. Okay, so next, stop stability. So steep dip maintain the wall stability during the slicing. Plate or bed increase the collapse risk due to the poor dip angle. So which one is the right answer of this question? Right answer is ore plate. Ore is the flat bedded with no dip. This is not applicable to the Mitchell slicing system. Okay. For Mitchell slicing system, ore body is highly inclined with the vertical dip is required. Next question, which of the following term is used for the volume of the water in the reservoir which is not available for the use? First, specific storage. Number 2, dead storage. Number 3, surcharge storage. Number 4, useful storage. So which one is the correct? Correct answer is the dead storage. Dead storage is not available for use. Let's elaborate the option. Dead storage, it is the part of the water in reservoir to stay at the bottom. It is cannot be used because it is below the outlet or it cannot be drained easily. And specific storage used in the groundwater study, not related to reservoir. Then surcharge it means extra water is stored above the full level, used only in the flood. And fourth, useful it means the water that can be used for the people irrigation. Next, which of the following term used to volume of the water in the reservoir which is not available to use? So answer is the dead storage. Okay. Next one, which of the following term is used for the rock on the upper side of the mineralized ore body in the vein? So option 1, upper wall. Option 2, hanging wall. Option 3, foot wall. Option 4, top wall. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is the hanging wall. Okay. See, hanging wall, this is the fault plane, or above the fault plane, this block is known as hanging wall, or below this fault plane, this block is known as footwall. So correct answer is 2, hanging wall. In mining and geology, the hanging wall refer to the rock or block of the rock that lie below the mineralized ore body or vein, and the footwall is the rock below it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, then drop a comment in comment section. Thank you.